the three modes of measurements. And ang ginamit ko po ay lower jaw. And the scale is 0.5. And ang basa po din ay 2.15. And ngayon po ang gamit ko po ay upper jaw. And ang scale pa rin ay 0.5. And ang sukat pa rin po ay 1.015. And the last is depth probe. And ang sukat po ay 0.5. And ang scale pa rin po ay 0.5. Ang basa po ay 0.5.05. That's all. This is the parts and function of the burner caliper. Inside jaws, internal length measurements are found by using this part. Locking screw. This part blocks the instrument's movable parts in order to transfer between measurements method easily. Depth probe. The part used in order to find depth measurements. The main scale is millimeter. The Vernier scale is millimeter. Outside jaws. This part makes measuring external lengths possible. Ang ginamit ko po is outside jaw and ang sukat po ng object is 2 cm or 20 mm. Ang ginamit ko pong pansukat is the inside jaws and ang sukat po ng object is 1 cm or 10 mm. And ang ginamit ko po is the depth probe and ang sukat po ng object is 1 mm.